Hello and welcome to GeForce Works. And in this live dev episode, we're gonna continue from where we left off from the last episode. And let's see, I'm gonna go to oh no, where did it go? My tomato story, talks, and look up. We're gonna see what bug we had. Alright, so search state responsive if last seen location is unreachable. Yes, that problem. So if you guys remember last time we left off if so it records the player's position, right? So that little so it's gonna attack and it when it reaches search it's gonna check for the player's position and then it goes back to patrol. So we don't want that, right? What we can do is Alright, so there we go. So it goes to search and it goes back to patrol. So I'm gonna add two new states. So one state what it's going to do is its search location would be to see if there's any player nearby, and if there's no player it's gonna keep on searching in that location like one more time. So let's actually do both of those, and first of all let's fix the last seen reach location. So if it doesn't see me now, for example, if it doesn't see me now, oh, I think it got a point here. Oh, okay. It does this. Okay. So it acts real dumb, right? So let's fix that. So it goes to move to, and then let's do like a look around kind of a thing. So how should I go about doing a look around? Is there like a rotate component? Alright, let's go to enemy base. So open up our BP enemy base. And let's see. Alright, so let me just comment these real fast. Okay, so this is all of them is record player position. Alright, so next what I'm going to do is I'm gonna custom event look around. Right? And let's see if there is a rotate component. Rotate, add a rotate set, base rotation, move component, I think it's the move component function. Move component 2. So we can use that, right? Maybe to do like a whole 180 turn. And let's see. So we're gonna take the current get relative rotation and move component. So it's gonna get this thing's rotation, get relative rotation plus 360 rotator plus oh of course, yeah, can. There we go. That should do it. And then there must be some other way I can do this, right? So cause it shouldn't act so dumb, but it shouldn't act so smart also. And another way to go about doing this would be actually increasing the vision distance. So what I can do for I could get controller and I'll cast it to the enemy base AI. That's a AI controller. And that will get pawn sensing. What is that called? It's pawn sensing. We talk this here, and I'll get our controller AI perception. So we're gonna increase this sight radius. Okay, so let's see. Can I just make a custom event here so that we can call it whenever we need it? Custom event look around. I'm gonna take this AI. I'm gonna take this AI perception and what is that? Get what can I use? How would I get this? Can I set the sight radius? Set sight radius. No, I can't. Get sense get sense. Nope, I can't. Alright, how should I do this site radius? Alright, let's go to our dear old YouTube. Let's say get sense AI perception site radius variable. Alright, so a damage sense hearing. Okay, so I don't think, can I access it? What else site is there? Get AI site configuration. Change AI site variable config on in runtime runtime. There we go. There we go. Upgrade the arc as well. It's not doable via blueprints at this time. Oh. Okay. Alright, there must be some way to do this, right? One of the ways to do it would be to cheat and do a sphere trace directly. Alright, so let's do that. Instead of looking all around, let's do a sphere trace. Can I do a cone trace? I can do a cone trace. Alright, let's do a sphere trace. I wouldn't need this anymore. Sphere trace for objects. Object types make array, and we would need our layer and get actor location, and we put that in both start and the end. The radius would be move variable look around radius. Right, and I don't think we need this. Compile and save. That would be 100. How much? 500? Alright, let's 500. Just for the heck of it. Let's debug it. For duration. For 1 second. Trace hit color blue. Trace color green. Out hit. Let's see. Wait, so first let's actually do that, right? Let's look around and look around is just like one task, it doesn't need a lot. Put a BTD enemy base, and in the alert section in here, not alert search, where did search go? There we go, there's search. We'll create another task. Let's call this task, there we go, BTD underscore base underscore enemy underscore, oh actually it's enemy base, BTD underscore enemy underscore base underscore, and what should I do for this? Enemy base, oh my god, I just have a brain fart. We could call it, okay, what will we do? Oh, look around. And when it receives this, we could finish, execute, and should be good to go. I mean, of course not good to go. Cast to BP enemy base, convert to pure cast, and then we'll do what do you call a look around. Then success. What else could I do? So sphere trace, oh yeah, so I could set break hit result and hit actor. So if it finds something, right, if it is a blocking hit, or initial overlap. Any one of these is true. We'll set the enemy state to alert. So we're gonna get blackboard, set blackboard, set value as, there we go, value as enum. Then we're gonna call it literal enum enemy base action, and we'll call it what should we call it? Actually, you know what we're missing? I found out what we're missing. There we go. Now it finally hit me. We are missing this. There we go. That's what we're missing. Because I was wondering, like, why does it feel so quiet in here? Anyways, that's what we were missing. And then I'm gonna set this to alert. Kind of a cheaty-weety thing. And the key name would be make, literal name. Then we'll call it action. Alright. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the base AI. Oh, I don't need this anymore. And I'm going to say look around. There we go. Look around. Alright, so let's do the same in our orange. Oh, sorry. Our orange behavior tree. And we'll call it, there we go, patrol. We'll call it look around. That's actually, that's a good thing. So if it is, see, it's going to be an alert. Otherwise, what's it going to do is it's going to patrol. Alright, let's test this out. It's prepping, it's recording my position, it's searching, it found me, and it's going to prep back up, and it's going to attack. Nice. And it's searching again, and it didn't find me, and it found me now. Alright, so there we go. See, now it's a bit faster. Oh, alert, prepping up, attacking, searching, patrol, alert, prep, attacking, searching, found Caesar location. That's pretty good. Oh, okay, yeah, I forgot I can't do full screens, because I noticed if I do full screen, the stream starts lagging. So I'll keep that in mind to not get into a full screen. So let's do one more thing, right? I don't know if there's any easy way to do it, but what I want to do is I wanna, so for the players wherever search location, I wanna do a point down. I wanna do a line trace down. Wherever it hits, that's going to be its move to location. So we're gonna just change this part of it just by a little bit. So instead of directly setting the value as a vector of the last seen location, we're gonna trace a line down. And wherever it hits, that's going to be. So what is that going to assure is that is always on the ground. Yeah. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just quickly move these guys apart. Let's draw the debug box. Why can't I? Let's draw the debug box as, actually not yet. I'm gonna create a reroute node. And I'm going to put that here. So this is where our line trace end is going to come in. What I'm going to do is... Oh, I'm going to sneeze. Oh my god. I am so sorry. Excuse me. Alright, so what's going to do is we're going to get the actor's location, line trace for our byte channel, and then the end would be get up vector. get up vector, get actor up vector multiplied by minus 10,000. I'm gonna add that back in. So what I'm taking is I'm gonna take a vector, it's up vector. I'm gonna multiply that by minus 1,000, so it's gonna point down, and I'm gonna add that. What do you call that? Magnitude? Like what is that? To the position vector. So I'm gonna add the direction vector back to the position vector. So not multi-line. Well, not multi-line. Just line trace. Line trace. I'm gonna check if my voice is not being like too low down. So you guys can't even hear it. All right. Why is that? Let's see. I'm gonna go to the audio output capture and let me see. I'm gonna go to properties right here, and now you guys should hear. Now you guys now you guys should hear the lo-fi hip hop. Hopefully. Anyways, I'm gonna do a line trace by channel, and I'm gonna bring that down right like that, and that would be our start. Right, so I'm gonna just double check if you guys can hear it. Right, so I'm gonna just double check if you guys can hear it. Alright, everything sounds good. Everything is real good. Alright. Good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break the hit result, and the impact point would now be our move to location. So let's try that, right? Let's try that. So the duration would be record player position in 12 seconds. Alright. Let's try that. So recording, I don't think it's even recording. Okay. Well, also I'll just draw debug for duration. There we go. That should be much better, right? Yep. And is it even drawing the debug box? That's what I'm confused about. Alright, let's see. Alright, okay, there we go. So it's recording downwards, but there's a problem here, right? Oh, what are you doing? Don't do that. It's bad. Oh, it's going crazy. It goes stupid, go crazy. Go stupid, go crazy. Anyways. Okay, so I think this line trace by channel, I'm missing something. Instead of line trace by channel, let's do line trace by object. Line trace for object. Alright, so get actor location. We're gonna go to end object type would be obviously static. World static. There we go. Draw debug type for duration. That should be good, right? Alright, look at me. There we go. So now it's hitting. So now even if I make a jump, you can see it's trying to record the location. So now that would be its good move to location. Search for me, dumbass. Okay. Something's definitely wrong. Oh, that's why. That's why I didn't connect it. So now, oh, there we go. Look at that. We have huge boxes, and it's gonna go there. So now let's try jumping. Right? Hey, look at me. So it's jump. Okay, so it's jumping back and forth between alert and search. We'll fix that in a second. Oh, search. Okay, chill. Okay, so it's jumping back and forth between alert and search. I think it's got something to do with this look around. Let's fix that. So enemy base, look around, and if it's a success, it should go back, right? Oh, okay, maybe. Oh no, it's happening. So when results change, it just aborts itself. And what should I do? Should I set action after this? Enemy base, enemy set. Oh no, actually no, can't work like that. There's something going on, but at least we fixed. Let's prep this up. I'm gonna jump. So even after I jump, it's gonna go to that beautiful location. Nice. So it goes back to. Oh no, I'm keeping on forgetting the fact that I should not do the full screen. It's kind of involuntary at this point. I'm sorry. I'll try to keep that in mind. Okay. So it shouldn't go to patrol, but it's not going to alert either. Why is that? Okay, so I'm gonna get out of enemy base. I'm gonna leave that for a while. And oh, maybe just I should do this. So something like that, and maybe move this later before. Yeah. After it goes to that move, it's gonna look around. It's gonna start looking at player. How about that? It's recording my position, and when it goes into search, it goes back into patrol. Well, that's because it couldn't find me, of course. This box is stupid. Where is enemy base? And this debug box, the extent is its impact point. No, the extent is just going to be 5 by 5 by 5. Even now we should have little boxes searching for me. It saw me. Okay, it's kind of wonky. It's going back and forth for some reason. Let's fix that. So when does it go into search? That's what we need, right? So maybe when it. Okay. I think I understood what's going on. So it sees the player, but since when it's going to that point, it kind of like turns around. It misses the player and it goes back. Okay. So I think that's the problem. So that's the alert move to, right? Where is that alert move to? There we go. Alert move to. So maybe what we should do is scan see player is set. So it shouldn't stop record and search, right? Because that would be. Okay, so now I'm confused. Maybe it should look around and search for the player. Maybe, right? Because let's think about this for a second. Let's try removing this. Just for 1 second, let's remove this conditions, and it's gonna prep up, right? It's gonna go to search, finds me, it's alert, and it's back to prep, right? So far, okay, so there we go. Sorry. So far, it's pretty good. It goes to search and it sees me and it preps up and it attacks me. So let's try avoiding this. Okay, there we go. So if I run fast enough, I can avoid this. I can stagger it, turn that into a gun. Nice. So I think I would count that as a finished, solved bug. We go quickly turn off these debugs. So I'm gonna turn off this to none. I'm gonna call this search, look around for player after searching. So it's going to be, there we go. This is all going to be part of searching. No, actually, let's leave that open for a minute and Okay. All right. Let me get some water here. Nice. All right. Next, what do we want to do? Let's go back into our random tidbits. Last non-play location is done. Weapon index table is done. AI avoidance. Alright, so I think AI avoidance is one thing I haven't tackled yet. So let's do AI avoidance, right? Orange gun collision removed. Put it back if not rating collision. Okay. See, there we go. That's a good thing we wrote it down because I totally forgot about that fact. Alright, so AI avoidance. Let's bring in 5 of these. Starting from different locations, right? So something like that. Let's bring 5 of these. Let's check how many navigations. Yeah, I have good navigation, enough navigation. Okay. Oh, they're all going into search. Oh, they're going crazy. Oh, sorry. There we go. Now you guys shouldn't lag. Don't go searching there. These guys are just like plain stuck. Okay, so it's all because of the avoidance. I think it's because of the avoidance. Alright, so instead of 5, let's just do 3. Right? So they're all alert. They're prepping, they're attacking. Okay, so but these guys are stuck though. Because okay, so what's happening is they're trying to move to their own respective location, but since they get stuck, they just don't move. So we need to code in something that kind of like moves them apart and then like kind of like just do something different, right? So how can we code our own avoidance? Let's just type in AI avoidance and let's see if there's something written. Alright, so there are some stuff. So of course it's a cone. Okay, character to void, ignored character. What does we need to project the current motions of the voids into the future and try to determine whether there will be collision at all. Character A, character B. Oh, okay, so they're kind of like projecting their path and then like detecting where their closest point would be. What is DV? That's the thing, right? What is DV? Whether we retrieve the closest collision. Okay, distance and time. We use that feature potential collision point as a target for us to perform avoidance behavior. At first, I was delegating the dynamic evade behavior. However, since evade doesn't take the distance between object into consideration, it simply tries to run away on the first time that there is any feature potential collision. Oh, okay. Avoidance. Comparing to collision avoidance, obstacle avoidance will test collision against some static obstacles. But we don't want static obstacles, we want dynamic obstacle collision avoidance behavior. Each other and the player. Let's see. Alright, so it's coming back to what we already looked upon, the RV avoidance. I think that's already built into our situation. So maybe I should reduce the weight. I don't know what the weight does. It's 2,000. Let's read about it, right? What is the RV avoidance weight? RVO avoidance. There we go. So the two objects try to move on each other act differently. Where the lower weight object will divert course more and the higher weight object class. You can see this about halfway through. When it calculates effective velocity, it becomes RV. Oh, okay. Dodge with the same amount. Oh, okay. So it's basically how much one goes away from the street. So if you have a heavy enemy, we could increase that thing's weight and it wouldn't dodge as much as the smaller enemies. So the smaller enemies would move around. Sort of the big enemies trying to move around the smaller enemies. That's smart. Let's go back in. Spinning 0.7. Why not? And kind of want to debug these guys. They're stuck again. Oh yeah, they're fighting so badly. Oh, it's because all three of them are trying to go to the same search location and are failing miserably. Okay. So how can we fix that? Because all three of them saw me there at the last point. Maybe I can do another, get 3 points. Oh, you know what? Let's make an EQS. Best way. EQS. Okay, so what I'm thinking is it should kind of so EQS point should be like a beacon, and so that the last place location should be like a beacon. From there we'll calculate maybe EQS. But is that really necessary? Do I really need EQS? Because all three of them are trying to go to the same location and are failing miserably because all three of them are like... What I could do is its impact point. I could get another sphere trace and kind of get a random location point from... Actually, you know what? This would be much easier with EQS now that I think about it. Can I run EQS from the blueprint? Run EQS query. Query template. Querier. Okay. Run mode. Single list item. Property. Let's do a query. And we want a dummy. Let's do an EQS. Artificial intelligence. There must be some other way, but right now my mind is screaming EQS, so let's do EQS. EQS base underscore point fill last seen location. Alright, let's bring out our beautiful EQS spawn. Should be here somewhere, unless I deleted it. Oh, there it is. There's our EQS test spawn. So I'm gonna assign the EQS test spawn our point near last seen location. Wait. Oh no, come up. Oh, okay. I don't know what happened to this dude, but alright. So there we go. And what should I do? I need a context, right? So maybe the player's context. Oh, I'm so confused right now on what I should be doing. Query template. Because I need a point in like a radius, but again, those points, is there any way I can prevent AI characters from reaching same point? UE4, obviously. Trying to walk through the door. Check your path in many ways. There we go. With decorators, does path exist? If not, you can tell your AI what to do, like nothing. Find random, back to start back. Okay. Okay. Navigation, filtering, and avoidance. Let's go to our VP enemy base and let's see, do we have a can ever affect navigation on? I did turn it on. So it does affect navigation. And moves the pawn. Is there any way it can fail? Maybe I should use my own move to, enemy base move to. And yeah, there we go. So that should be it, right? So if it's a success, maybe I should try using this. Acceptance radiance 50. What is this? Stop and overlap. Accept partial path. Yes, please. Continuous goal tracking. Project goal or navigation. Yes. And then maybe I should use this move too. Right, so let's use that. I'm going to remove this move too. This is for alert. And maybe I should do the same for the search. I'm going to use move 2. I'm going to put that in. And then that will be the last seen player location. Let's see. Okay, so alert. What happens if I... Oh, okay. Enemy base move 2. Oh, okay, that's because... Let's bring you back. Because I really feel like maybe I should work on this EQS query and then maybe add like conditions to prevent it from selecting a point that has already been selected by someone else. Okay, so they're all going to search now. But 2 of them are just stuck. Why is that? So on request failed, it's gonna do that. But on move finished, it's gonna give success. Yeah, that should be good, right? What is wrong with 38, 39? So there we go. 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. Something like this. Why are you on fire if you are oh, and they're doing that again. Doing that again. Okay, so it's definitely I need to do something with the alert EQS. Find suitable attack point. Maybe I can. What can I do? I can add something to show that there is another AI that's going to reach there. So how should I do that? Oh, what is that? Maybe I can do something like trying to maybe keep a stored array of stuff. Maybe the location it wants to goes to, and I can keep like a record of that. And then it can kind of check, right? Okay, so like this thing is gonna go there, so I should not go there. Something like that. I think like maybe like a dictionary list of something, and then if some enemy tries after reaching the point, it kind of erases it. And like, oh, there we go. So now you guys can like maybe I don't know, come to it or something. Path cost. I'm gonna bring this EQS down here like that, and I'm gonna give this EQS that find suitable attack point. And let's kind of like bring that in here. Save. How can I? Yeah, that's the thing. I don't know. I'm still kind of confused about. How to check if an AI force distance. typing it, does path exist, images. And we stop attacking, do any basic run. Let's put a decorator and call it does path exist from self actor to target location to last seen player location. Path query type hierarchical query. Okay. So if it doesn't happen, it just kind of like comes out. All right, let's see what does that do. Alert. Okay, it's prepping up. They're attacking me, and I think that kind of like pushing is because of the RBO avoidance. So I'm gonna jump back into enemy base and I'm gonna kind of, where did the RBO avoidance go? Oh, it's in character movement, of course. And use like 200, maybe even, 100. There we go. I'm gonna save all real quick so I don't lose my stuff. So they're all alerting and they're searching and it kind of gets stuck. That's what I'm angry about, because it just like stops, and it's because of this. Like what is happening with you? You know what, to heck with you. I'll use this last seen player location and let's see what happens. And I've also told it to stop prepping when it searches, but it just like ignores that too. Stop attacking and stop prepping, and then it does path exist. Basically, whether a path exists between 2 points from the backward. So see, it's still on fire when it's searching, right? And they're all in searching, and they're all, man, oh man, I coded some dumbass AIs. Alright, and again, it's because of this. Okay, maybe I'm doing something wrong. Can I put a decorator in here itself and do kind of like, does path exist? Alright, I'm gonna delete you. So this wouldn't even happen if do a single location. What happens now? I'm kind of stuck again. One is stuck in this move too, and one is stuck in here. And it's stuck in prep itself. Okay, so it's, maybe I should create like, does path exist? And okay, I'm kind of confused, right? So how does it know like observer aborts? Aborts nothing, of course. I'm missing something. Maybe I should do a little bit more research before coming back to this. So right now, see, all three of them are in like this weird state, and this dude just kind of is oh, did he just go into, okay, move to alert sequence, right? And change it to prep. And prep is start looking at player, and it's not working though, because it's all perfect when it's 1, but it kind of starts to, nice. Why is that? Again, it's because of this. All AI move to fails. Oh, which are fails? AI move freezes. UV4. upgrade is simpler but I have an AX. Add velocity to we reach the velocity becomes here to 1 for 5.5 next waypoint. Add animation using AI invocation or actor inside the blueprint. Keep traversing and reach the last waypoint and then finish execute. Make sure it doesn't finish until you reach the last waypoint. Oh, okay. Freeze on touch. There we go. Then fire once an waypoint and have it move. See if I tick instead. Oh, let me just take a look at this. Pop them real quick. Even being play simple move to actor. Oh, okay. That's okay. Ooh. Can I tell it to take different paths? Because that's my like last resort, right? Not last resort. You're attacking, and there you go. See, this dumbass is stuck in stagger. What happens now when it's stuck? And what are you doing? What are you doing? What is it even doing? Oh, let's see. Okay, so this one's Husk, and what is this doing? Oh, okay. It's doing that. It's just stuck and stop attacking, stop taking move. Stop attacking, stop taking move too. Acceptable radius 500. Reach test include agent radius. Reach test include allow partial path. Track moving goal, project goal location. Yup. Alright, what happens now? So it accepts even in like 500 radius. Maybe I should do the same, right? So like, what if I do acceptable radius so like can attack from there to maybe not 500, because this should be really specific. And let's see, what else can we do? Where's another? Do I have another move too? I have another move too. And what is that? I think Husk doesn't matter. Patrol of. Alright, let's see. We're all going crazy. It's stuck in alert, and this is stuck in search. Where are you guys stuck at? In this move too. Did I mess up something? Because I feel like I messed up something in here. Did I like disconnected something and like forgot about it? Let me see. Get blackboard. Last location is the freaking point it hit. What could it be? Why are these guys like refusing to move? You know what? To heck with it. I'm gonna get a sphere, please. Get random point. Get random point and have radius. That is gonna be a random location. It's gonna be 200. That's gonna be our point. Heck with it, right? We don't need pixel perfect. And it's stuck on alert now. I don't think the RV avoidance is even working. Like they're all like, oh, okay. Look at that. Beautiful. What are you guys doing? Oh my god. I don't even know what are they doing at this point. What should I specific actor or move to fade? Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do some research, right? I'm gonna spend some time and I'm gonna study this on how to. Whoa, how to work on this, because I'm definitely missing out on something. I'm gonna find what that is. So I'm gonna read up on stuff, I'm gonna research some stuff, and I'll let you guys know when I find the solution on how to fix this. But till that time, I'm gonna end the stream right here, because I have no idea what to do next, right? Because of course, because research and stuff, I like to do it in my own mind space. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Even though this was a really I don't know what the takeaway from this stream is. Maybe research before you start coding. But that's the good thing, right? Maybe that's the takeaway, research. So I'm gonna go do some research. I'm gonna take some 1 or 2 days. I'm gonna research about it, and then I'll come back to this project, implement, and I'll let you guys know what I did. Alright, so take care guys. Good morning, good evening, good night, and